Hi there guys, it's Pieter Jan here in the Eskort kitchen. Again, we are still busy with leftovers and today we are doing leftover brown rice salad with our beautiful streaky bacon. Whenever I cook rice, it has to be a pot full, we eat 1 cup and then there's leftovers. So for today, we are going to use beautiful streaky bacon from Eskort to make a lovely salad. So what I enjoy is that brown rice goes with everything and anything, and you can almost, when it's cooked, use as a risotto to be accompanied by a very saucy situation. So you don't have to put the sauce over it, but you cook it in a sauce or you serve it with something nice and saucy. I enjoy a crispy streaky bacon. So to get the streaky bacon crispy, I started in a cold pan, because when you heat the bacon up with the pan, it renders out all the fat. No oil in the pan, cold pan on the stove, and then you just pack out your streaky bacon. Don't let them lie on top of each other. It's necessary for each individual piece of bacon to get its own little temperature or its own little place in the sun. This bacon is also, when you render it out like this, it's beautiful to keep. So it's almost like drying it out a little bit. There we go. Switch the heat on. We are going to make a brown rice salad, as we said, and with that I always make a little stock. I call it a butter stock because I use butter, vegetable stock, and then some leeks to fry in a pan just before you add your rice, and that will be the flavor that helps this brown rice to become beautiful. So the bacon is going to heat up in this pan. So while we wait for the bacon, we've got our brown rice. This is left over from yesterday. And with this salad, we're going to make a beautiful dressing. So it's a little bit different. Again, a product that a lot of people have in their fridges. This is nkomasi or buttermilk, whatever you want to call it. Wherever you come from, you call it differently. We've got a lemon over here. The rind of the lemon is also very beautiful. It smells great. That lemony flavor that you want something fresh with this. The smell of a lemon always makes you happy. To this, I'm just going to chop a piece of garlic. I've got 1 clove of garlic here. So the garlic is obviously the heavy taste. Nice and full of fragrance, flavor, savory. And then you've got the freshness of the lemon and the creaminess of the amasi, which is a beautiful combination. Just mix it through. I'm not going to add any salt to this, but we will do a little bit of pepper. The salt will just make the amasi runny and watery, and we don't want that. The bacon is starting to fry beautifully, and you'll see the bacon will shrink just a little bit and pull away from the pan. And then that means it's on. Don't put your hands in the pan like me. I'm used to hands in the pan, so it's fine. So you will see the sides of the bacon where the fat is will start to golden, and that's what we want. The juice and the fat that's burned to the bottom of the pan will deglaze now. So this bacon is looking beautiful. So if you open the windows now, there will be neighbors in 2 minutes because the smell is, it's enticing. Is it a word? Enticing, yeah. Nice. We've got our bacon. I feel it's ready, so I still wanted to have a little bit of a meaty flavor and taste to it, just some texture, but this is nice and golden and crispy the way I prefer it. There we go. Little fat's dripping there, we keep it there. So in this pan, I'm going to add the butter. It looks like a lot, but it's not. We add the leeks. So deglazing, quickly focus here. Hello? Yes? Deglazing. Deglazing is a beautiful term in the kitchen where you remove all the flavor in the pan with the fluid, with the fat. And it goes into the leeks, it goes into the butter, it's going to go into the rice. So you deglaze all of that beautiful brown flavor from the bacon, yes. And it's going into whatever you are making, which is the brown rice salad. We've got our brown rice already cooked because it's a leftover. For your convenience, leftovers. Okay. We leave some of this vegetable stock. So I like to fry this. So there's another term for you. It's 2 for 1 day. Nice. Is when you reduce a sauce. Okay. We reduce, which means doing this, if you understand. Okay. So we cook this until the sauce thickens a little bit and you don't see the watery part anymore, but everything clings to the rice. So the starch in the rice will also start to thicken this whole situation. So this is just to get flavor into your rice and to get your rice nice and happy. Avo, we're just going to slice the avo. Okay, make little patterns with it. Okay, so we've got a plate and a bowl. You can eat out of either one, whatever makes you feel you have the biggest portion. Wild rocket in your plate. And this has a beautiful peppery taste. You can do some avo. So we've got some Italian parsley and we've got some chives. Okay. Leaves for the salad. Okay. So this is our brown rice, nice and hot and beautiful. You can see it's nice and sticky, the sauce isn't there anymore. There we go. There's some more leftovers of the leftover salad in the pan. So we'll do this just now or midnight snack. There we go. Okay, bacon. This is beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, got some herbs over here. Just a little bit of salt for seasoning. And then our beautiful dressing. So this will go beautiful with the rice, the avo, and the bacon. There we go. Lunch, dinner, lunch. What did we say? We're making lunch. Lunch. Lunch with leftovers. So whenever you cook rice, don't be shy, cook the whole packet. There's a reward for you the next day. So please enjoy. Oh, this is beautiful. I say the word beautiful a lot because I can't use all the other words that I used to say. Because we've got family people watching. This is lovely. Can you hear it? It's beautiful. Thank you. Leftover salad. No excuse. There you go. Enjoy. I love it. Yeah, gourmet. You made it gourmet. Gourmet rice.